Dookie. Okay. What it is, kinfolk. Happy Wednesday with it, y'all. Happy hump day. Mm-hmm. Hope you had a good Wednesday. It's about over. It's about to be a grand set. That's well, it's 5 o'clock right now. It's about to be a grand set on us. Yeah, buddy. Then it's back to work. Back to work. We had the day off. A lot of us. Look at that osprey. Look at that old osprey over there. Ooh, osprey. Yeah, we had a lot of us had the day off and all that good stuff. Somebody said it was the new year. I don't know about all that, but yeah, we out here though. Make sure you get yourself out here and get you some of this nature. Also eat you some nature too. That's a real important thing to do. You can't forget about that. We're gonna try to make our way through this old rubbish over here, over there, over here, over here, over there, and see what we can